Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Nintendo Switch error code 9001-0051. The error reads, Nintendo eShop code is not working. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to redeem a Nintendo eShop card. Many players shared that even after entering the code, the system shows error code 9001-0051 and does not allow the redemption. According to our research, this error is most likely related to entering the wrong code, region mismatches, or temporary issues with Nintendo servers. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to make sure that you are entering the correct code. So double check the characters and try again. If the error still comes, then check if your Nintendo eShop region matches the region of your console. The eShop card must match your account's region to work. Once confirmed, check for the error again. If the error still persists, then restart your Nintendo console and try redeeming the code again. If the error still continues, then go to nintendo.co.jp/net-info/n_us/index.html and check if the Nintendo servers are facing any issues. If there is a server outage, wait for some time and then try again. At last, if you still get the error, then contact the Nintendo support team for further help. They can check the issue with your code and assist you in resolving the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.